Next project. Welcome back. Chalk wall repair. Seen better days. A lot of cleaning today, a lot of mess to clean up. And I'll take you through the next step after this. See you in a bit. Right, I've broken out a load of old chalk and it's a mess. There's a bad bit in the middle, so I pulled that out. Just gonna give it a spray up. I'll try to blow a lot of it out because it's all very, very thin chalk. So next plan, it's gonna give it a wash over. Just try and get some of this dust off, and we'll go from there. All in, just put a line in. That wall is so far out that I literally just twisted it round and banged it in because it had a curve in it, just to get a straight line through. I'll start with all the infill bits and work my way up to the line. I'll just use point to point for reference as I go up. I've got some big chalk, also got little ones that come out, and that was backed up with flint. So I'll just replicate what they've already done. It's one big jigsaw puzzle, but hey ho, I'll just put some lime mortar in just to help to try and give it a little bit of strength back and where it was wholly before. I'm using pure lime and sand for this. So while I go, little bit of repair work done. A bit wet, but what I do, I go over it with a stick just to edge it up. I'll just show you that. All I have is a bit of lath, slight angle on it, and just edge it up, just get the grain up a bit. Just to fill in any holes from a mortar. And then what I'll do, I'll just leave that to go off for a few days and then give it a brush over. And I'll just get it all off here. I've just got a few other repairs to do and then I'll be building on top. Let's crack on. There you go, built on top as well as raked out underneath. And pointed that all in. And a couple of repairs to do down there. But I'll just look better if I just raked out along the bottom there. Repointed it all up. It just cement at the bottom from the previous. It's a bit fragile, so I left it. But just thought, right, I'll have to have a start point, and that's why way up I went. I have finished lower than previous because I'm going to put a cabin on top just to finish it off. Because before it was just that. That's why I haven't done the back yet, because that will be getting destroyed. But I'll get to that when I get around the other side. But better crack on, do a little bit more. Just got to point it all up, leave that, and then come back and I'll show you where I am next. Bye bye for now. All taken down to one level. Ready to put some copings on. So I'm going for these for the sides. And then the tops. Going for that. Let's get it on. Start of the copings going on. We've got a 40mm overhang. Because the top overall is 310 for the top bit. Pointed that in, just need to brush that bit up along there. Right. Let's carry on. That is the bottom row and the finishing top caps going on. Nice to get to the end of this one. So yeah, I'll bring you around to the other side. Let's get them laid in. Let's carry on. Let's go. Top captain's all on, all complete. Like the way this one turned out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more content like this. I'll see you on the next one. Ciao for now.